Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. It is day 18. Oh my goodness. Oh, here's Andrea. She is so excited to open up door number 18. She just can't stand still. She looks like she needs to go to the toilet. All right, let's get this open so that if she doesn't need to go to the toilet, she can go after we've finished opening it up. So door number 18. Behind here we have got, don't know quite what that is. So let's build it and let's find out. Drag that bag out, Andrea, and bring it to the building table and let's see what we are building today. It actually looks to me like one of those little stalls that we've built before in the past Lego Friends advent calendars, when you got little stall setups for the Lego Friends girls to sell hot chocolate or to sell cupcakes. So let's see, we've got a little gold bit in the middle to put, I think this is a cupcake. So a chocolate cupcake with pink frosting, and we've got some little brown rectangles to go up the sides to make some walls, and it's just kind of a little rudimentary stall, I think. And it's got a roof on it, kind of, and here's the hangy bit, and it needs some decoration, obviously, because it's Christmassy, so some stripy things up the side. There'll be little candy canes on the side. So maybe she's also selling little candy canes, and we need some more colours. I really am not 100% sure how this all ties in together. It kind of looks like a fireplace. I just don't know. All right, okay, so here's another. We could make a vanilla one. If we want a little vanilla cupcake, we can make another chocolate cupcake. And Andrea's quite keen to just get into these nummies. Let's go and hang it on the tree. And whatever it is, it's pretty. It's pretty, and you're going to have to use a bit of creative thinking, I think, to decide what you want it to be, because it could be kind of lots of things. All right. I'm excited to find out what's behind door number 19. Hopefully it's a little bit clearer. Hopefully I'll know what it is. Anyway, all right, I'll see you back here tomorrow for door number 19. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out some of the other advent calendar days if you've missed any of them. My goodness, there are so many already. And I will see you tomorrow.